Hello friends, my name is Ramasu. Today we shall discuss about a topic that how we can link tasks and create dependencies in the project, MS project. So let's start friend. First of all, I would request to please subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell option as well so that my new videos can reach to you, and also you can follow me on the Facebook page as well. So let's start friend. Basically friend, we have already entered few tasks in the MS project, and let's assume that you are implementing a project for a software project and you have to make a plan for it. So simply these simple manner, the high level tasks are planning, software development, quality assurance, user acceptance testing, and production deployment. It's a very high level project plan for a software project. Now basically friends, see, the MS project is a very popular software for project management, and it gives you a very full authority to create tasks and link them. Now linking tasks means, what does it mean by linking tasks in the MS project? Basically friend, linking means that it defines a dependency in different tasks. Now dependency means that how one task is dependent on other tasks. For example, a very common and a default dependency is finish to start. That means once the second task finish to start means that the second task will start only once the first task will finish. For example, let me give you an example here. For example, you are implementing a project of software, for example, and right now you are developing the software. Once the software will develop, only then after that the quality assurance will start. So see from here, software development and quality assurance, both these tasks are finished to start. Like software development will finish, then the quality assurance will start. Okay, so what I can do, like I will select these two tasks, and here this is the option available, link task. So I will click on that. Okay, now see what happened actually. If you see from here, I have linked the task, and in the predecessor section it has mentioned 5, and 5 is basically the ID of software development. So software development and quality assurance both are linked together. Now see from here as well, once the software development will finish on 9th of August, so from 10th of August the quality assurance will start. So this is the linking. Also I can unlink these two tasks. If I unlink these two tasks, so again see from here, the predecessor has been removed and the both tasks are now in parallel. So just to explain the concept here, I am again linking these two tasks, and the predecessor is now appearing as 5. Also in the Gantt chart view, please see from here what happened actually. This is the software development and this is the quality assurance. Now if I change the duration, for example, it is software development is of 7 days and quality assurance is of 2 days. If I increase the quality assurance, so see from here in the Gantt chart view, see what happened, the quality assurance duration is also increased. Now when I'm it's also showing when I am taking the mouse over there, it is also describing the dependency here. Okay, it's describing that it's a task of software development which is linked to the quality assurance. So when I'm hovering on the dependency, it is showing me the detail of link as well. Now once I click on this link, it is showing me that it is software development to quality assurance is linked, and it is a relation of finish to start, which is of lag 0 days. Now what does that mean actually? Basically finish to start means that friends, once the software development the quality assurance will start once the software development will finish, and there is a lag of 0 days. 0 days means that immediately once the software development finish, immediately the quality assurance will start from the next day. Now if I create a lag means that a delay actually. For example, if I create a 5 days lag here, So see what happened in the task list. Now friends, see, I have created a 5 days lag in the predecessor. It is showing me that it's a relation of first it is showing 5, that means 5 is the software development ID, this one 5. Finish to start is a relationship, plus 5 days means that there is a lag of 5 days. Now actually try to understand the link here. It is showing that once the software development finish, it will finish on 9th of August. Okay, so after 5 days, 5 days mean there could be some delay due to some reason. So after 5 days the quality assurance will start. Okay, so this is the concept of lag, delay basically. Now again see from here, if you see from here, see from here, so the software development is finishing on this date, and then the 5 days delay is there, and then the quality assurance will start. Okay, so this is the concept of lag actually. Now if I think that I can early start 5 days, so what I can do, minus 5 days. Now see what happened actually. If I make it 5 days, so see from here, now actually what happened, that the software development will finish on 9th of August, and the quality assurance will start from 3rd of August. Now why actually it happened that 5, see from here, 5 is the ID of software development, it is a finish to start relationship, and minus 5 means that before finishing the software development minus 5 days, it is a lead actually, it is a concept of lead. So before minus 5 days before the quality assurance will start. So see from here, software development is basically finishing of 9th of August, and the quality assurance is starting from 3rd of August. And see from here as well, in the see, this is the basically software development, and see from here, before 5 days it is starting. So from here it is also showing the relationship as well. So basically see, if it is in minus, so it is a lead, if it is in positive, so it is a lag. Lag is basically a delay, and lead is basically ahead of time. Okay, hope now you can got the idea. Now friend, remember one thing, that there are some other dependencies as well. The basic dependencies are the most very common dependency is the finish to start. Now finish to start means like obviously it's a relationship, it's a dependency between two tasks. So if the second task will start only once the first task will finish, okay, that is called as FS. Then the finish to then the start to start means that the second task will start only once the first task will start. Third is the finish to finish, that means the second task will finish once the first task will finish. Start to finish, that means the second task will finish once the first task will start. Okay, so these are the 4 types of dependencies: finish to start, start to start, finish to finish, and start to start. So just for an example, I can take as an example, if I do mark it as start to start. Logically it's not possible, but just for an example I'm showing you here. If I make it as start to start, and lag is basically 0. So just for an example I'm showing you here. So what happened actually, if I make it as start to start, so this 5 basically is the ID of the software development. So start to start means that it is starting on 1st of August, and it is also starting on 1st of August. Okay, so just take it as an example. Logically obviously it is not possible, but I'm giving you just for an example here, that this is the relationship. And if you take just see from here in the bar, it is also showing you that both these two tasks are starting parallel, and and you can change the color as well. And if you click on the dependency link, so it is showing you that it is a start to start with a 0 days lag actually. Similarly, friend, you can also select more option as well, like the finish to finish and start to finish as well. So friend, I thank you. Thanks a lot for watching the video. I hope you like this video. If you like it, please share it with the friends and colleagues, and thanks a lot for watching the video. Thank you, friends.